Welcome to the DataDiVR tutorial video. In this video, we'll explore the main features and functionalities that make our virtual reality experience unique and engaging. Let's get started. Hand controllers. Our VR platform provides seamless interaction with hand controllers. With these controllers, you have full control over your movements and actions within the virtual environment. Teleportation. To navigate through the VR space, simply use the teleportation feature. Point the controller to the desired location, press and hold down the button, observe where the blue arc hits the floor. When you release the button, you will teleport there. Grabbing and selecting. Interacting with objects in VR is as intuitive as grabbing them with your virtual hands. Use the grabbing feature to select nodes from the network or the cubic control objects. Cube controllers. The cube controllers offer additional functionality and control within the VR environment. Red cube. Utilizing the red cube, you have the capability to drag the network to your desired position. Green cube. The green cube serves a distinct purpose by providing the ability to rotate the network, allowing you to bring any corner of the arranged data within closer reach for detailed consideration. Zoom handle. By utilizing the zoom handle, you can adjust the zoom level of your view, enabling you to expand your field of vision. Network. Within our VR platform, you'll encounter networks that visually represent interconnected data or systems. Let's explore the key components of these networks. Nodes. Nodes are individual elements within the network representing your scientific data points. Each node can be selected and interacted with to explore more detailed information. We will discuss this later in more detail when presenting the panels. Links. Links connect nodes and illustrate relationships between them. Layout. The position of nodes are intrinsically given in 3 spatial dimensions. They need to be pre-processed before you upload your dataset. There is the possibility of creating additional layouts. I will show you how to do that a bit later. Colors. Both nodes and links can be customized with colors, enabling you to highlight important elements or group detailed information together, such as community structure or functional relatedness. Glowing and transparency. Another visual feature of our networks is the ability to apply glowing effects or adjust transparency. These effects provide visual emphasis and enhance the overall aesthetics of the network. Panels. Our VR platform incorporates interactive panels that provide access to settings, analytical tools, and annotation data. These panels allow you to control and customize your experience. Pointing the controller to the user interface, you will notice a violet line that serves as a mouse pointer. You will be able to use both left and right trigger buttons to interact with the panels. You will be able to scroll with the large circle. First panel. The leftmost panel is a key interface component that offers essential functionality. Let's explore the features available in this panel. Select Project. With the Project option, you can choose from various projects within the VR platform, allowing you to explore different network datasets. Nodes and links. The number of nodes and links within your network is displayed right below the project name and appears as soon as a project is selected. Link blending. Link blending becomes essential when dealing with large networks that contain a substantial number of links, such as exceeding 70,000 links. Depending on the network's specific structure and the overall length of the links, it can be advantageous to focus on a subset of the links at a given time, not to obscure network structure with too many links. Enabling link blending ensures that only a fraction of all links are visible at any given time. It dynamically rotates through different proportions of the links over time, gradually revealing the entire network structure. If you have uploaded multiple files containing different layouts or coloring, you can easily switch, or as we would say, morph, between different scenes with these forward and backward buttons or environments. Sliders for label, node, link scales. By moving the sliders, you can adjust the overall node size, link transparency and thickness, and the label size. Mid panel. The second panel displays the name of the layout, serving as a reference point for easy orientation across all your scenes. Additionally, it provides an overview of the colors being used. The adjacent panel offers a larger range of functionalities, some of which are still a work in progress. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on specific features within this panel. Connections. When a specific node is selected, you can utilize this feature to examine all connection partners associated with a specific node. Additional diagrams are provided to facilitate exploration, including an egocentric network representation and a bar chart displaying visiting probabilities using a random walk method. A list of neighboring nodes is displayed to successively investigate individual node connections. Analytics. Within this section, you will find a collection of fundamental network analysis methods, including the degree distribution, various centrality measures, clustering coefficient, and more. These methods are visualized through histograms presented as bar charts, illustrating the frequency of centrality values for nodes assigned to their respective bins. These interactive bins allow you to click on them, resulting in the highlighting of all nodes associated with that particular bin. Another method is to display shortest paths by selecting the source and the target node in the network. The path is visualized as a distinctive yellow route traversing the network, representing one of potentially multiple options. If there are multiple paths available, you can click through them to dynamically display and explore each of the shortest paths. Feel free to play around with other methods provided. Annotations. If your data comes with annotations, here is the section to examine them. All annotations provided can be seen here. Selecting one specific annotation leads to highlighting all nodes that have this particular annotation.